Okay, Joaquin, we're gonna make the sounds of the animals, okay? Yeah. So, how does a cow go? How? How does a cow go? No, not TV. Ready? How does a cow go? Okay, how does a dog go? Okay, how does a sheep go? Meh. How does a cat go? Meow. How does a car go? Vroom. How does what else? How does a frog go? Ribbit. Ribbit. How does the airplane go? Ooh, good job. What about, can you say pararescue? Pararescue? Wow. Let's see. One more time. How does a sheep go? Bah. How does a frog go? Rivet. How does a cat go? No. Meow. How does a dog go? How does a cow go? Moo. How does a car go? Vroom. How does a plane go? Good job. High five? High five. Bam. All done. Say bye.